Now, our peaches are simmering. It won't take long because they ripe peaches, fresh peaches. So as soon as it gets thickened a little bit, because I have cornstarch like I told you in it, and some jello. Now as soon as it starts bubbling, which is beginning to, it's going to be good. Right now, while the peaches are in season, I hope you all try this. Now after this thickens a little bit, I'm going to let it get cool before I put it on the cream cheese bottom part of the pie. Now it looks like it's about getting ready. We turn the heat off here. We let this cool, and later I'm transferring this topping in this other bowl so it can cool faster. Of course, if you're not in a hurry, you can just leave it in this, but I'm always anxious to put the thing together because I wanted everything to be easy, simple, and here it is. So, as soon as it cools, we're going to put that on our bottom layer. Now, I'm going to show you, we're just going to put the topping on, this peach topping. Oh, it looks so good. Now that it's chilled, and before you serve it, sometimes I put slices or take one fresh peach, you may. It's not necessary, but you can do your own thing. This is the main thing. I mean, just to get you all started and get the joy of cooking like I have for so many years. It brought me lots of pleasure, and I hope it will do you the same thing. Now, I generally let this sit for a while before I slice it, but I want you all to see what it looks like when it's sliced. So I hope it'll be okay. Of course, it's best if okay, wait just a little bit.